Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Hello kids. In today's video we draw a beautiful house. At first we draw two parallel lines. Let's draw two triangles in the top. This is the roof of the house. After draw the roof, we draw other part of the roof. Here we draw a big line. And we draw a small line under the roof. Our roof drawing is now completed. Wow, it's super easy, and it looks so fun. Let's draw the another part of the house. We draw the wall. Using some lines. At first we draw a square. After drawing the wall, we draw the door of the house. Wow, it's super fine. After drawing the door, we draw windows of the house. For window drawing, we decorate it with some flower. We draw a little square and small rectangle to make this window. In next part we draw same point 1st, we draw a flower and then we draw a square and some rectangles. Wow, it looks super easy. Our drawing is complete. Next we color the house. First we color the roof with red color. In the middle of rectangle we fill it with blue color. The roof is completely done. So now let's color the wall. Here we use blue color. It looks fantastic. Here wall coloring is totally completed. Now turn the next dot. Now we color the door of the house. Here I use green color to color the door. part of this door we use red colored at the last small rectangle part we color it with pink, yellow to color the under part of the window. Here we use deep yellow color to brighten the window. And lastly we fill the middle part with brown color. Then we color the flower with the help of sky color. So kids, our house drawing is ready. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.